Hi guys, today I will show you the two best free Likee video maker that you may use. The first tool is Likee. Simply download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and then install it on your phone afterwards. Open the app on your phone and then scroll down the screen to select a video template that you want to use. Tap the plus sign icon to add a file from your gallery. Once file added, tap the Try for Free button to process your video. Lastly, hit the download icon to save it on your mobile device. Now, let us watch the video that we made. Next tool is Likee. Get the app from the Google Play Store or App Store, then install it on your phone. Launch it on your mobile device and then tap the upload icon to import images from your phone gallery. Then, edit your video by selecting an editing option at the bottom of the screen. Once done, press the pause button to automatically save the video on your mobile device. Here is the video that we made using Likee. And that is the two best free Likee video maker to use. Thank you for watching.